Now let's take a look at how Behead deals with empty arrays. Here we have shape20. There are two items, and Behead is just going to remove the first item, just the same way it normally does. So it's going to go from shape20 to shape10, and that's the result we're going to get from Behead. In this second case, it's a little bit different. The shape is 0, 2, and there are no items. Since Behead's job is to take off that first item, and there are no items to take off, Behead does nothing at all. So if there are no items, Behead just returns the same thing that it's given. The Behead monadic verb, a monadic verb with infinite rank that returns a list with the leading item of its argument removed. Hopefully, after seeing some of these examples, that definition may make a bit more sense to you.